Hi friend, my name is Mehran. Today I will tell you how to connect two PCs or laptop using a LAN cable. In this tutorial you will learn how to share data between two computers. Let's start. Yes, you have to need a LAN cable that is attached between two computers. This is PC 1 attached laptop 2. So now you have to go here and click open network and internet setting. Go to network sharing center and go to Ethernet. Click on properties. Go to IPv4 and property. Click on IP address. Give here static IP address 192.168.10.9. Okay. Now just you have to go click OK, close, close and close. Same work you have to do in this computer. And click Ethernet. Go to properties. Find IPv4. Click property and give a static IP address here, and network should be same 192.168.10 is my network, and IP and host name is 10. Here is 10.9 and here is 10.10, and click subnet marks is default automatically. OK, close and then also close. Now your network is created. Now you can share between two that now you can share data between two laptop. Before share you just have to share a folder, which folder you want to share. So I want to share this folder website template. Go to its property. Go to folder properties and share, advanced sharing. Click on this share this folder and check this box and OK, close. Now go to this computer network. Here you can two computer. This is PC1 and itself, and this is second PC desktop. Click on it. Here you can website template folder which is shared between LAN. Click on this. You can see here is a number of templates, so click on it. I want to copy. You can copy, delete or modification in this template website. So I want to paste my PC. Now you can see this is sharing between two laptop. I am copying this folder of this laptop. The copy is complete. Thank you for watching.